I got bitches with me wild. I met a bitch in Bali. I met a bitch in Dallas. Now she work at Magic. Make a bitch move to the city, nigga. I got ball status. Da Vinci on my sweater, bitch. I'm way above average. Rolex on me on TikTok. Savage rock around with the big block. I'm a real gangster, I don't shit talk. Slaughter gang, nigga love to kill. All my pieces flooded. All my drinks come muddy.
Yes, sir. We back. Got a cool little video for y'all today. So I bought a head mount the other day, or like a week ago, for my Insta360. I think I mentioned in another video, I don't remember, but I bought the mount for my head, and basically the way the Insta360 shaped, bro,
fucking thing sucks.
It was stupid in this car, man. I kept hitting the roof every time you lean, the camera fall down, and the view was so high, like you could only see the roof line and a little bit of the road. But so today I bought a mount for my head for the iPhone, so we're gonna try that. We're gonna try that instead, cause I be wanting to do some POV driving, show y'all some shifting, go around the city. Cause actually I got graduation pictures this week, so I need to go around the city and find some cool spots and like pretty much scope for them and take my pictures at. So that's my plan. About to go float around the city, see if I can find some good spots. And it probably gonna be much ripping in this video. I mean, I might be lying, but I try not to rip because I got on. These actually my driving shoes. I don't even know why I'm capping. I'm probably gonna be ripping in this video. But I need to test the view out first. I need to see if the view is good, see if y'all like the view, see if I like the view, and then we go from there. But yeah, so that's the plan. I ain't started this thing up in probably like a week. So I'll probably give y'all a cold start real quick. And yeah, man, that's all I got planned. Trying to keep my talking to a minimum, so let's ride. Hey, if y'all hear some screaming in the background, my neighbor child getting their ass whooped right now, so don't call CPS. It's this little, this little parking deck over by my crib in the same neighborhood, and I'm about to come over here for like a quick little test area to see what this look like on the cam before I go out and be ripping around the city. I need to see what this view look like first. You feel me? So I don't know. I'm picky with these POV videos, but bro, this place be empty all day, every day. Like, crazy empty. Good spot for graduation pics. Low key, I might take some pics over here, but like what? Supposed to be coming up here doing donuts and shit though. You can see it on the ground. But yeah, I'm gonna go downstairs inside the parking deck part. See what we can see. This view really not bad though. I hope this work out, because I'm gonna have to put like a little pad or something on the part that sit on your head, like where the phone is. But like, this is already 100 times better than what the Insta360 camera was like on my head. That shit sucked, bruh. But look at all this space down here. Good God. Let me step out. That shit fire. Yeah. I can't wait to put the Batman plate on there. Yeah, I'm finna cut up. If this view look good like I think it do, I'm finna cut up. In the lemon pepper steppers. Hey y'all, low key this view right here might be the move. This is looking a lot more jazzy. But y'all fooling with this one? Yeah, we gonna ride around like this, cause I fool with this one. see what we can see. You know what I'm saying? So that's the first spot. You go without me saying what city we in. You can see the sign. But what I'm about to do now, I'm finna try to get over there to the other side. Oh my God, this road is awful. I'm finna go see how I get to the other side and film some stuff over there. I let the window down for you. Oh my God. I mean, I need to hit a U, y'all. Alright. C63. This thing sliding on my head a little bit, but the more it slide down, low key the view be a better point. But this is gonna be trial and error, my boy. Trial and error. Definitely need a pad on this. Feel like we can make this work above all, but it needs a pad on the top of it. Know what I'm saying? Cause right now this shit killing my dome piece, dog. Oh wait, hold on a minute, bruh. I know a couple more murals too, though. Alright, let me hold. I wonder do folks be looking over in my car like, what is on his head? Hold this before I go over these train tracks, nigga. Oh my God! Ever since that Hellcat lied to me, I be waiting on the first thing Mopar I see to pop up just so I can skin their ass. I got real beef now. Oh my God, these streets, dog. Light finna turn green now. It is. I knew it. Ain't no missing. Every light finna be green. Every one of them. What I told, boy? What I told y'all, boy? Every light, every one of them. Da 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 da. To go right. Yeah, let's go right. I was gonna go over there and get something to eat, but I ain't going over there without my girl. I don't even want that smoke. I ain't finna go eat no meal like that without her. That's a problem. Let me tell y'all, boy. Let me see. A lot of y'all be doing real dumb shit that, like, I don't understand, bro. Like, it's simple rules to the game. Like, if you finna go eat and shit, take your girl to eat with you. If you finna go well, you know somewhere she like. Just like my dog, eat a ham sandwich or something. Nah, don't eat no ham sandwich. But for real, y'all boys be like, y'all be doing stuff and then acting like y'all don't know why your girl mad, bruh. You just went and ate a 5-star Red Lobster meal without her. She's pissed, my nigga. She wanna like, what you mean? Oh, it's some stuff right over there. What's that? Oh, I just saw something, y'all. Yeah, like if you argue with your girl and then you go get like a 5-star meal after, boy, you wanted that smoke, my boy. Like, why you do that? How can I get back over there though? Is this the road? It is the road. Yeah, anyway, like I was saying, y'all boys be playing. Listen, if y'all do more right than wrong, there's no way y'all girlfriends be mad at y'all. You get right from wrong, lay some smack down, right from wrong, tell her she pretty. Like, what y'all be doing, man? Ain't rocket science. Y'all need to listen to them OGs that be telling y'all something. Them niggas been singing for 40 years because they be fucking up. Listen to them. Well, I ain't saying like, you know what I'm saying, take life advice from them boys, but like, oh my God, I almost thought I was gonna hit my front lip. Oh, this fire too though. Oh, what's this? Aha, what is this, my boy? I like this. We can take some piss right here too. Yeah. What's up, buddy? Yeah, that's pressure. I don't know what this is. That a baby and a Monte Carlo SS with Lilo and Stitch in that thing too? What is it? Somebody pulling up in the lot and be looking at me stupid. What is it? I don't know what that is. Anyway, that's pretty much it for this one, y'all. I'm about to go up the street real quick. I might give y'all a little rip as I go. Actually, I'm lying. It's about 2 more spots we can go, and then I'm gonna dismiss y'all for today. Because I don't give you too much before I know if the sauce working or not. You know what I'm saying? So, let's go cruise up the block real quick. But I'm gonna get back and look at this footage and make sure the view okay. It's just, I gotta put something on the pad of this thing, because it is, boy, my head hurt. This shit hurt, dog. Ooh. This part of town is dope, though. That's probably gonna be the best spot, for real, for real. Them 2 spots. And then the one off of Damo. But I'm not taking y'all over there to Damo today. Yeah. Oh wait, let me quit saying the streets name. You know YouTube got the feds. YouTube be talking about, can we list automatic places in your videos? You absolutely cannot, dog. What you mean? Can you put automatic places in my videos? Federally? Hell no. Let's go this way though. Alright, y'all. Look at the city, Vicky. Y'all, I head back towards the city so y'all can see that. But that's all I got for you today. Appreciate y'all rocking with me, subscribing, supporting. We've been growing so much. I'm so proud of it. I appreciate it, man. Really do. Look at the city. Y'all probably know where I'm at, but just for oh my God! That bit was skating. Ice skating. Oh my God. But anyway, like I was saying, y'all probably know where I'm at. You know the cities. Is that 12? No, it's not 12. But I gotta get some chicken or something, bro. Cause like I'm starving. said, my bad, I blanked out for a minute thinking about chicken. Appreciate y'all liking, commenting, subscribing, get out my window, man. I'm not giving you nothing. I ain't rude like that, bro. They be bullshitting. I gave a homeless dude $40 one time. Later in the day, I came back. I seen that boy getting in the Benz with a phone. Never. He ruined it for everybody, bro. I don't even play them games no more. Get it out the mud if you're hungry. But yeah, man. Appreciate y'all for supporting me like always. We're gonna get these views right. Figure out what worked best. And then next time y'all see me, I have it worked up. You know? But yeah, anyway, like I was saying, appreciate y'all liking, commenting, subscribing, always rocking with me. We've been growing consistent, and I'm proud of it. We ain't gonna do nothing but keep upping the quality. We can't do nothing but go up. So, you know what I'm saying? So, I'm gonna close this one out. Y'all keep getting money, and I'll catch you next time. Cash rules everything around me. Dream, get the money. Dollar bill.